Hello, we are team HealWiz. I am Vaishnavi Agrawal and I am responsible for documentation and research of this project.
Hello, judges. I'm Mahesh Bora. I have implemented the front end of the application in Flutter. I'm also responsible for integrating the front end and back end that we made in Flask and for implementing API calls for the application.
Hi, I'm Yagesh Bobre, and I am responsible for creating the backend of this project. The backend is written in Flask in Python, and we have used TensorFlow for the machine learning model.
Today we present you HealWiz, a modern age healthcare application developed to address critical health challenges. By aligning the UN Sustainable Development Goal 3, we are committed to making quality healthcare accessible to all, using Google technologies to drive impact.
So, judges, here is the demonstration of our application.
This is the Postman workspace that we have used to collaborate on API integration. And we have several features and we'll be adding more in the future as well. Here is the GitHub repository for our project. It contains the Figma files, the basic app descriptions, and the feature that we want to build on in the future, and all the important links. That's it for our project demonstration. Thank you for considering our application.